I should move on.
We are all directed it's not what we are going to do in all the national strike. In your last 8-month strike, Anambra State University was one of them. Go upset. I will tell you, go and listen to what the SCC president said. He said he was not as proud because of things against the system in 2009. Schools cannot be closed. If I close, Nigeria is closed. Common was playing the future. I don't think we got someone else that are saying that how are we going to manage school? Secondary education. The way we are managing in Nigeria is not the way it is done. We have what we call state funds. In my corporation, we will ensure that we better manage. We will ensure that we give more funding and we will do something like that, including loans to sustain university. University education must change. And someone of you loans to sustain university education, some of you will say, oh no, we don't want to loan. Let me take the issue of loan. If you want to support the school, you only know what you have done. If you don't have job, you don't pay. So now, we will change the funding of the university. How do we guarantee securing jobs? I said before, you will become mentors. Other people who are supposed to be. I want to invest in Nigeria. So, what are the people that are no physical support? So, micro, small businesses, where you're going to buy. It will support you. Your energetic, your flexible, you will be taking jobs. And then jobs. Because you're going to move the country from consumption to production, there will be opportunities for job creation in different fields. I don't know what we're going to do. Let me assure you, the youth are the future. The leaders of tomorrow, today, they are candidates. Among the three major candidates, I'm the youngest. Each of them, and I'm going to say, between the chairman of the party of the PDP, the chairman of the party, the candidate, and the vice presidential candidate, the average is 70. That is the average. The average is 70. If you do the one of APC, the chairman is 75, what I know. The candidate is unknown. The other one, so if you do the others and FPC, I'll tell you, you won't be less than 70. Just imagine whatever you want, it's not nothing. If you do the others between myself, the vice presidential candidate, our party chairman, our average is about 65. What we now shows that The national government will come you out to 50, one day it will get to you. Many people ask, if I